Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. Keep supporting my YouTube channel. Your support means a lot. In this video, we are going to see about a part of the portion in business statistics. This is myself, Dr. B.T. Gandhimadi from Commerce Department. Yes, collection of data. It is the process of enumeration together with proper recording of results. The success of the inquiry depends upon the proper collection of data. The researcher mainly concentrate on the collection of data. The types of collection of data. The data can be classified into primary data and secondary data. What do you mean by primary data? The data collected for the first time and they are in original in nature. Then, methods of collecting primary data. First one is direct personal observation. Second one is indirect oral interview. Third one is information through agencies. Fourth one is mailed questionnaires. Fifth one is schedules sent through enumerator. In this video, we have to discuss about direct personal observation. The researcher go to the respondents and collect the data personally. That is, data is collected by the investigators personally. He asks or cross-examines the informant. Then suitability of the direct personal observation. The data which has a greater accuracy, in that cases direct personal observation is suitable. Then second one, when the field of inquiry is not large, if the data are collected from small field of inquiry, then they use for direct personal observation. Then if the researcher needs confidential data, then he has to apply only the direct personal observation. Then another suitability is complex field. If the data collected field is very complex, then the investigator only went and collect the data. Then intensive study, where the depth study of the data is needed. In that cases, direct personal observation is used. Then last one, sufficient time. When the researcher has sufficient time, in that case, the researcher apply direct personal observation. Then next one, merits of the direct personal observation. In these cases, original data are collected. The data collected are original in nature and the data is true and reliable. The response is also very, very, very high and it is encouraging the researcher. Then high degree of accuracy is possible only in direct personal observation. Then exact and correct information can be heard from the respondents. Then misrepresentations can be avoided. Then uniformity can be maintained. Demerits is unsuitable in large areas. It is more expensive and time-consuming method. Then in this, there are more chances of bias. The untrained investigator could not bring the good results. And the last cons of the direct personal observation is information is collected according to the convenience of the informant. Thank you. Thank you for your support. Then Other methods of primary data will be discussed in next videos. Kindly support me for my YouTube channel. Thank you once again. I feel very happy to say thank you to you.